In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up with Proton Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find Proton Drive's recovery tools and how to download your recovery file, which acts as a safety net if you ever lose access to your account or need to restore encrypted data. Start by opening Proton Drive in your browser and signing in. You should land in your Drive dashboard where your folders and files are listed. Proton Drive uses end-to-end encryption, so creating a recovery file is an important best practice to ensure you can regain access without compromising your privacy. At the top of the page, look for the Settings toggle icon. Depending on your layout, it may look like a gear or a set of sliders. Click that icon to open the Quick Settings panel. From there, choose All Settings. This expands to the full settings area so you can access everything related to your Drive account. In the left-hand sidebar, select Recovery. This section is dedicated to data recovery options for Proton Drive. It's the place you go when you want to generate or manage the file that can help you restore access to your encrypted files if something goes wrong. On the Data Recovery Options page, you'll see details about how recovery works. The recovery file contains the information Proton needs to assist with decryption in emergencies while still preserving your privacy. It doesn't grant open access to your files. Instead, it's a secure fallback that complements your password and two-factor authentication. Next, click Recovery File. This opens the page where you can obtain your backup file. Proton may ask you to confirm your identity before proceeding, which is normal and helps protect your account. Finally, click Download. Your browser will save the file, typically in your default Downloads folder. Keep in mind this file is sensitive. Treat it like an important key to your account and avoid sharing it publicly or storing it somewhere insecure. That's it. You've navigated to Proton Drive, opened settings, found the recovery section, accessed the recovery file page, and downloaded your backup file. You now have a reliable safety net for your Proton Drive data.